Hello and welcome to our very first episode of The Walkers Around the World. Today we are going to take you on a tour of our premium balcony here on the Carnival Pride. This is room 7301. A premium balcony is kind of like a suite,
but like the balcony's bigger.
Kind of. It's a suite, but you don't get the suite perks, so you don't get the priority boarding if you are not, platinum or whatever. But yeah, we've been liking it so far, so we'll show you around. You've got two little hooks here. Of course, our little cruise hack is to bring magnetic hooks, so we've added a few more to the wall. Very handy if you're a first-time cruiser to bring those magnetic hooks. The first thing here is the vanity. We've got the safe over here and a little bit more storage. This drawer has the hair dryer. And here is the fridge in our cabin. Next, we have the wardrobe behind me. We actually only just discovered this today. We came on board yesterday. Come on in and take a look at how many hangers we have in here. I know a lot of the times they complain about not having enough hangers. We've got plenty. We've got the life jackets up there and our garment bag, and of course a full-length mirror if you need that. Got a nice little chair here to sit down onto if you want. This is huge.
Yeah, like you just got a big place to store all your clothes.
We are going to Greenland, so we've got our nice puffy jackets, and we've got another side of this. This side has shelving, so we've got all of our clothes here. I didn't squish your finger, right?
No.
And this is the continuation of the previous, and so much storage. So much storage. Can never have too much. And again, this is a 2-week cruise, so very grateful for all this storage. Yeah. Next, we have the bathroom. What's nice about the bathroom is that because we are kind of like a suite, we have the Elemis, a little bit upgraded soaps and such. You don't have the weird blue and green soaps. They smell a little bit better too. Standard curtain. Obviously, the Pride is more of a dated ship. That was our awesome steward. He was giving us some papers. Sorry for the little interruption there. Normal storage, I feel like in the bathroom, we've got a couple shelves. We've got our little thing here to help out, but pretty typical bathroom for Carnival ship. Nothing special here. We have our kiddo in tow, so a lot of people like to know the configurations. This room does sleep up to 4. We have the 2 twins into a king. Then we have the upper Pullman down for her to sleep in. But then this also turns into a couch. So if you do want to have 4 sleeping in here, I don't know, it might even fit 5. I'm not sure on that. So don't quote me on that. We have more storage over here.
It is. There's like so much storage.
2 shelves. 3 shelves here. Also, lots of USBs, which is really nice. Then we've got this little bar area with a TV. TV is nothing to write home about, but you don't go on a cruise to watch TV.
Yeah, you
more
normally go to
storage. More storage here. We haven't even used it. I can't believe it. I guess we could store some of our junk over there so it's out of the way. Huh? What a concept.
All of your books.
All of our books. The bed has the 2 regular end tables, and again, USB plugins there, 2 of them, really nice. The balcony is amazing on this ship.
Yeah.
So the balcony is amazing. We have 3 chairs on it, which is nice. Usually the balconies are shorter this way and this way. You see we have lots of space. We have a lay-down lounger here.
Yep.
And I mean, lots of room for activity. Let's see how many steps I can take. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, almost 7 steps.
Yeah.
Really deep.
Normally it's like 3 steps.
Yeah. And yeah, we're pretty happy with it. Again, this is a 14-day cruise, so we decided to just go a little extra with this to have a little extra room so we don't go stir crazy. So let us know what else you want to see, and we can't wait to see you in the next episode.
Yep. Bye. Bye.